OKR is two things. On the one hand, it's a framework that contains best practices to help you manage your organization's goals. On the other hand, it's a way to formulate those goals. Let's first have a look at how you're used to managing goals. Imagine you want to increase brand awareness for your business. You would then set yourself a goal to acquire 20,000 new leads per month. And you'll probably go on to set yourself even more goals, such as setting up 10 ad campaigns and writing 5 new blog posts per month. You end up with this list of goals that all feel equally important and you don't really know where to start. But the only thing that truly matters is to increase brand awareness. Now, if you'd structure these goals as an OKR, you would have much more clarity about what really is important to you. Your objective would be, our brand is the talk of town. Your key results would be to acquire 20,000 new leads per month. Together, this objective and the key result form the outcome that you'd like to achieve. Your initiatives are the things that you'll be doing to help you reach that outcome. That could entail setting up 10 ad campaigns, write 5 new blog posts per month, or put up 100 new billboards around the city's most busy spots. Make sense? Great. Before we get any further into the details, let's just go back in history shortly to see where and when OKR came into being.